Hey everybody, Chris Mcclatchey here for My Real Wealth. I just want to let you know that I had a great time Tuesday night in Boston at your Real Estate Investors Association. Mike does a magnificent job, loved meeting the family, and more importantly, loved meeting you. I wanted to let you know we are doing a Saturday session. So if you want to learn how to buy properties with no money down, with 0% seller financing, and to get these properties free and clear in as little as 3, 5, 7, 10 years, then you need to be there on Saturday. Now, I know this may sound impossible in a hot market like the Boston area, but I would tell you, I have students doing these types of deals in some of the hottest markets in the country. Florida's hot, Seattle, LA, Denver, Phoenix. These are some of the hottest markets in the country, and my system and how I tell you to go about to find these deals works in any market. So if you're struggling to get deals or you don't know where to start, you need to be there on Saturday. We're going to be at the Design 247 Center from 9 to 4. Contact Mike and his team to get registered, and we'll see you Saturday. Good luck, and make the power of zero. Let that snowball roll. Thanks.